Amy's shooting her bow.
Take one. Huzzah!
Hold it upside down. This is why this is not an outdoor sport. Okay.
Your hands get cold and it's hard to adjust it. Or is it just you? Oh, I'm bored.
I'm taking out a 50 cal. No gloves.
Where'd you go to train to use it? Where'd you go to train to use it?
To a range.
No, I mean like where?
In the army.
Right here.
Yeah, I know, but I mean
That's
location.
set-ish. Like it's
Tons
still
of locations.
shooting a little high, but they'll get you new targets.
Did a little bit in basic training and then we do it all the time on that.
He's based in North Carolina.
Yeah, I could be wearing shorts right
Dude, okay. Started off at 20. My marks were all on 20. Moved it all the way down to 40. You're still hitting low.
Yeah.
Shot one more time. I landed all the way up here. Had to move it down to 35. Okay, didn't work at 35, so I had to move it down to 30. So they're basically, either their math is wrong on where we are standing right now. It's not 20 meters. Or we're at 25. Oh, frickin' A. That was frickin'.
Oh, at least you know it went pretty deep in there.
Baby. What? Oh, come help me. Yeah. Oh, my fingers are really cold.
You have no muscle.
Fuck you.
It's okay, Amy. There was the light was pretty bright on that side of the camera. I don't think that was quite saw.
I'm supposed to be on vacation.
Fine, don't do it. You want to be on vacation?
No.
Go be on vacation.
Baby, stop being angry. So abusive.
Don't bend them. Don't bend them. Where's your muscle?
I know. You don't have no muscle.
I haven't been doing my daily exercises.
Okay. Yeah, no daily exercises.
Excuses, excuses.
Shut it.
Got one. Oh, that went in pretty deep. I should probably lubricate them, huh?
Might help a little bit.
I used to have a... my slick stick! I'll lubricate it now.
Couldn't have done that before.
I forgot. I haven't shot for a while. I forget that you have to pull them out at the end.
Do you want the arrow out or not? Because you're really not helping things.
Really? I'm thinking that one stuck in there.
Stuck my ass.
It was stuck in your ass? Oh my goodness.
That's where my muscle is.
In your ass. They're all lubricated, they can slip.
Yeah, that's all right. I'm gonna get real acquainted with it.
Okay. Hi, Snowbank. My name's Amy. Nice to meet you.
Snowbank wants to get up close and
I
first.
am shooting here.
I don't see a bow in the hair.
You want to shoot?
Sure, but now I can't.
Behind the line, my man.